First possession is selections.
Kanyan.
Hanapin mo nga.
Sabla yung unang tira ng selections.
Doon sa kabila.
Ayan na si Fulgencio, setting up points under
Hanapin mo
31.
nga doon ang takip.
10 seconds to shoot. Nawalang bola ko ng selection dyan. Selections, number 22 to number 23. Number 23, Jumper, the paint, short, recovered. Number 22, basket is go. And ang hoopers. Number 31, Face Garcia, pulls. Malakas ang tira. Kuha ng hoopers yan. Hoopers, nawala ang bola. Out of bounds. Bola ng selection. Pasok yan. Number 23. First score. 4-0 ang ating score for the selection. 10 seconds to shoot. De Vera, number 11. Nawalang bola. Recovered by De Vera. De Vera steal. Nasa number 31, Garcia. Pulls. Overshoots. Rebound by selection number 18 to number 23. Nasa number 88. And there's a foul committed by number 31. First personal foul. First one is good. Second one is good. And ang hoopers number 8, number 9, Fulgencio, number 9, number 31 to number 17, pulls the 3. Short ang tira. And si number 23, and a steal by number 9. Number 11 is Ibasga. Seven minutes 16 in his first. And selections number 23 setting up the play. To number 22 to number 12. In and out, recovered number 88 to number 22. And there's a foul, number 11. Rivera, first personal. Number 88 in the line. Generale. Second free throw is good. Ang score natin, 7-2. Number 9 to number 11 at the baseline. Pass to number 9. Number 9 steal, forcing the offense, puts it in. That's number 80, number 80, to number 23, backs it in, number 23. Number 31, Bruce, yes sir. Wala bola. Platon tayo. Platon tayo, Platon. Substitution. Palit 5. All right, back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 16. Number 11, Bulls. Box it in. Number 11. Number 9, 79 to number Sablay Tira, number 8. Is number 9 in the paint. Jumps. Overshoots. Rebound by number 62. Jersey number 31 setting up. Number 8, Nicolas. Back to number 31. Drop pass to number. Short. Recovered. Number 5. To number 5. We the paint. Voila. Rebound number 11. Number 11, 2. Pass to number 9. Puts it in, number 9. Ang score natin, change favor, 10-9. Selections, number 79, setting up Mr. Brown to number 62. Puts it in, number 62. Easy jumper in the paint.
Change flavor.
Pwede nang kalamangan sa selections. Number 9, Fulgencio setting up. Back to number 3. Floater shot. One goal, and there's a foul committed by number 3. First personal foul. Number 79. Number 79 penetrates, finds number 62 to number 31. Number shoots. Out of bounds. Hooper's ball.
Ano ba score?
Sablay ang tira ng Hoopers. Number 62 Evangelista. Jumper at the sideline. Pasok yung kay number 8. Nicolas. Number 17 to number 9. Setting up. Number 9 to number 11. De Vera pulls the 3. Rebounds. De Vera. Number 31 setting up the play. Pass to number 8. Back to number 31. Number 31 to number 79. Mr. Brown to number 62. Evangelista. Wonka. Rebound by number 11. De Vera. The full tension. Number 9. Lose the ball. Out of bounds. Selections ball. Evangelista. Finds number 8 to number 31. Going for an open man. Back to number 62. To number 5. Speeds, fakes. Pass to number. Sideline shot over shoots. Rebound by the big man. Number 17. For the team Hoopers. Number 17. Fakes. Nawalang bola. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. 1 minute 47. In this first quarter. 13 all tayo. Deadlock tayo sa 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Floater shot. Bounce it in. Number 62 penetrates. Finds number 8 in the paint. Short. Recovered by the big man. Forcing the offense. Finds number. Short pa rin. Juan De Vera. To number 3. Number 3, pass to number 9, fakes, drop pass to number 17, forcing the offense, foul, number 79. Time, 1 minute 13. Alayo in the line, number 17, for his bonus. The first one's at the line. Second, that's good. Sa isa ang kalimangan ng selections. 14, 15. 16-13 ang ating score. Mayroon ang Ramiro si number 8, pero wala. Yan ang si number 9. Overshoots. Rebound by number 5 to number 62. Eva Melissa. And there's a foul committed by number 13. Number 13, first personal foul. Evangelista in the line. First one is good. Second round overshoots. Rebound number 79. Rivera saves the ball to number 3. Number 3 setting up. To number 11, Rivera fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. Uy, bata yung bola. Number 3. One goal. Rebound by number 62. Pass to number 79. Easy basket. Number 79. Shot clock 10, 16 seconds. Pass kay number 17. Fakes. Beautiful. 9 seconds. Passer na lang maririnig.
Gumagalaw dito na po.
It's number 62. Deadlock tayo, 18 all. In this first quarter, we are now the second quarter of this game. Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter of this game. Elimination rounds between the Legend Division, Hoopers versus Selection Batya. Arevalo, number 3, setting up the play, finds number 17, the big man, spins, fakes, out of bounds, sable, possession. Number 17 setting up the play, finds number 7, Lazaro. To number 3, fakes, Robin in violation. Number 18, grab pass to number 88, finds number 12, fakes. Balikan number 18. Jumper, the sideline, one goal, recover by number 88, puts it in.
Susi yung number 22. Susi. Number 22 sa Lakers. Yes,
10 seconds to shoot. Number 31, jumper. Rep.
Number 22.
Number 22. Itanggal. And it's a number 22. The number. Wala. Number 88 saves the ball. Puts through.
Number 22.
Number 22. Pakitanggal yung susi idol. Baka makadisgrasya.
Pakatakin yun, no? Number 18.
Alavira, yan na si number 7, number 11, De Vera. Setting up, finds number 31, Garcia, fakes, penetrates, loses the ball, going to number 88, number 23. Easy basket. And ang hoopers, number 3, fakes, pass number 17, backs it in, number 17. 22-24 in favor of the selections. And selections number 23, jumper for Ramiro, puts it in. Number 7, Lazaro. To number 3, Garcia. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11, forcing the offense, De Vera. Overshoots, rebound by number 12. To number 18. To number 23. Cruz puts it in. Number 23. 28-22. That's number 3. Pass number 17. And that is good. Number 17. Number 22 to number 12. 4-meter jumper. Short. Rebound by number 31. Number 31 to number 3. Back to number. And see Hoopers, number 31. 4-meter jumper in the paint. Puts it in. By Garcia.
Kuya, saktong 5 minutes po lang. Wag po yung 5. Saktong 5 minutes.
Out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa selections. Number 23, 4-meter jumper to sideline Rondo. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 to number 31. Number 31, Garcia in the paint. Jumper shot, in and out of bola. Recover to number 3. Number 3, pass number 17, the big man. And there's a foul. Committed by number
Laro kayo din sa teso.
Number 17 is foul. Ay, hindi. Sino na foul, Rap? Ah, number 18 is foul. Yun ang say. First personal foul, number 18. Number 17, first free throw sa Atlaya. 7 free throw. That is good. Number 22 to number 12. Number 12 setting up. One hand shot by number 12 on the short of theoretic over. And there's a foul, traveling violation.
Alis ka dyan. Matamaan ng bola yan.
I see number 3 setting up the play. Bonds number 7. And the shoot. To number 3, Arevalo. Number shoots. Rebound by selections. Pass to number. And that is good. Score 28-27. Selections. 30-27 in favor of selections. Platong tayo.
Hey, alis.
Ay,
Back to the ball game, number 31, forcing the offense. Supply. Ready, number 62. Number 62, number 2, selections. That's the number. Number 8. To number 2. The forward by number 62. Puts it in. As a number 9, contention sa number 17, Palayo. Palayo, rebound! The big man for the Hoopers. Selections, number 79 to number 62. Pass to, nawala bola, recovered. Tumira, Sablay, rebound ni Rivera. Naagawan. Number 62, floater. Malakas. Recovered. Pass number 62. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Hooper's ball. 30-30. White team are down by 2 points. Full tension, number 9. Rivera, number 11. Setting up. Back to number 9. Number 9 to number 17. Number 17. And that is a traveling violation. Number 2. Onzo. Number 79, losing the ball. Short on Tira, rebound to Rivera. Rivera, long pass to Fulgencio. Number 9. Number 9, forcing the offense. And blown basketball. Foul number 8. Fulgencio will be the line. First bonus.
Huwag yan ang naglag dito, ha?
Fulgencio, basket is good. Teya, huwag kayo dyan. Drake. Teya.
Tawagin mo ngayon, Pat.
Teya!
Huwag kayo dyan, tatalsik
Yung bola dyan, tatalsik. Baba kayo dito. Basket is good. Number 9 setting up Tukalayo. Number 17.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Finds number 9. Oh, number 2.
Wala pa. Side pa lang.
13 foul pa. Wala pa tayong penalty eh. Kasi Fulgencio drop pass. Number 31. Romero jumper. Short. Recovered by number 13. Number 13 pass to. Only net 31. Puts it in. Change favor tayo. 35-54. Galing ang lamangan sa Hoopers. Number 2. Forcing. Wala. Kuha ni number 9 yan. Fulgencio. Penetrates and there's a foul committed by number 2. Second personal foul, number 2.
Pangilang foul na yan?
14th foul na sa selections.
Akin na yung bola. Magulong yan dyan, oh. May naglalaro pa.
Basket is good, 7. Free throw is good, 1 minute 47. As number 2. Number 2 kicking. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 62. Scoops. Puts it in. Deadlock tayo. 36 all. 1 minute 23 seconds. Number 9 setting up. Fulgencio fakes the 3. Penetrates. Fades. Beautiful jumper by number 17. Hoopers, easy jumper number 8 at the sideline. There's a Fulgencio penetrates, speeds, and there's a foul committed by number 79. Second personal foul, number 79. Penalty situation na tayo. First one is good. 47 seconds. Second one, basket is good. Selections. Tumira na, perimeter jumper. Puts it in. Deadlock ulit tayo, 40 all. 29 seconds. Rivera. Fulgencio. 10 seconds to shoot. Alayo. Recovered. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. 3 seconds. Shot clock. 3 seconds na. Shot clock is 3 seconds. Basket is good. Perimeter jump there. 5 seconds na lang. Basket na lang. 42-40. Lamang na ang Hoopers ng dalawa. In this third quarter.
Higa ka na lang dito.
Idol, tawag kayo yung captain doon. Saka sa
Third quarter na tayo.
Kunin nyo na, Idol. Para hindi na tayo maniningil mamaya.
Okay, third quarter, sige. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. We are now on the third quarter of this game. Ang score natin, 40-42.
Hindi ka naglaro. Hindi ka naglaro. Wala dyan ka nga pala legend busy. Parang...
Ayan, number 79, Mr. Lebron. Ayan na si number 23, sideline shot, reverse use, rebound by number 7. Number 7 setting up. And number 17. Pulls a 3, overshoots. Rebound by number 88. As number 62 finds number, easy jumper. Short, recovered, rebound number 17. Number 13, pass to number 3, hesitation. Close, puts it in. Counted. And one basketball. Foul number 29. 79. Number 79. Third, personal foul number 79. Arevalo will be enjoying his bonus. One goal, rebound by number 79. Sir Brown. Double dribble violation. Number 7, Lazaro, setting up. Finds number 13, back to number 7, to number 3, Arevalo, fades. Pass to, out of bounds. Miscommunication, basketball. And numbers 22 of the selections, finds number 62, number 62 to number 79, pulls, recovered, out of bounds. This is number 3, Arevalo. Number 7, Lazaro, setting up the play. 10 seconds to shoot. And a steal by the Hoopers selections, number 23. Astro, wala, nakuha yan ni number 3, Arevalo, strong rebound. Arevalo hesitates, jumper, in and out. Rebound by the big man, number 62. Number 62, Evangelista, crossing the midcourt, penetrates. And one, basketball. Foul number 11. Substitution. Second personal foul, number 11. Substitution, pasok na ito.
Mami, yung bola yun.
Iyan.
Kunin mo kasi natin yan.
Kunin mo yung bola.
Bola. Tatalisin yung bola. Makulit yan si...
Iyan.
Iya, tumansin yung bola. Makulit. Huwag mo habulin. Huwag mo na lang habulin, Dre. Pabayaan mo
Dito
siya.
ka na. Pawis ka na.
Rebound by the selections, number 62 in the paint. Basket is good. Number 64. Deadlock tayo, 44 all. In this third quarter, 7 minutes 28 remaining. Here is he, Fulgencio setting up the play. Fulgencio to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Arevalo, hesitation. Finds number 11. Forcing the offense. Walang bola. Kuni, Evangelista. Number 62, receiving court. Drop pass number 2. Jumper. Sablay. Rebound by number 13. Number 13 finds number 3. Drop pass to number 17. Puts it in. Balikan kalamangan sa Hoopers. Number 62. Easy basket. Underneath. Deadlock na naman tayo. 46 all. Parang championship ang laban. Nasa elimination round pa lang tayo. Ayan na si number 9. Fulgencio. Finds number 17 na the baseline. Nawala. Nako yan yung 62. The number 2 puts it in. Timeout Hoopers. Dalawa na lang timeout sa Hoopers. Sa selection, tatlo pa. 6 minutes 25 remaining. 48-46 in favor of the selections. Maghanda-handa na ang susunod na maglalaban. Ang susunod na maglalaban ay Shiano versus Mali from the adult division. Alright, back to the ball game. Hoopers ball. Number 14, inbound to the ball to number 3. Arevalo. Arevalo to number 9. Number 9, back to Arevalo. Arevalo fakes the 3. 8 seconds. Number 9, forcing the offense. Sablay, corner number 62. Pass to. In a steal by number 3, Arevalo to number 17. Number 17 fakes, penetrates, wala bola. Single possession. Foul number 2. Third personal foul. Number 17, inbound to the ball. Looking for number 10, finds number 3, Arevalo pulls the 3. In and out, rebound by 62. Evangelista penetrates, the big man floats. Wander, recovered by number 88, baseline shot, puts it in. Ando on basketball. Foul number 3, pushing foul. Second personal foul, number 3, number 88, will be in the line. There's 1-1 goal rebound by the Hoopers. Hoopers number 9. Number 9 steal. Finds number 31, Garcia. Puts it in. Beautiful jumper in the paint by Garcia. Making that score 48-50. Steal in favor of selections. Selections jumper number 88 saves a goal. One more recovery number 88. And there's a foul. On number 13. Second personal foul, number 13. Selections ball. Number 13. Number 2, drop pass to 62. Nawalang bola, steal by number 31. Number 31 to number 3. Arevalo. Ronco. Kuya ni number 22. Foul. Substitution. 4 minutes 57. Inbound to the ball, number 62. To number 2. Number 2 steal. Jumper at the sideline window. Recovered by number 88. Pass number 23, Navarro. Penetrates, puts it in. 52-48 in favor of selections. And there's a foul committed by number 3. Number 2, warning to graduate, fourth personal foul. Basket is good for number 9.
Pumasok kayo doon. Sabi. Pumasok.
Second free throw. One goal. Recovered. Running number 88 to number 62. Number 62 to number 23. Jumper. In and out. Recovered. Big man. Out of bounds. Substitution. Pasa by Idol. Number 2 out. Number 12 in. Aplona. Revalo finds number 9 to number 11. 31. Wala. Rebound by number 62. Evangelista, the big man, is a jumper. Almost a steal. Mga bata.
Aliyah, huwag sa gilid. Masagasaan kayo dyan. Masagasaan kayo dyan. Sige.
Number 3. Number 9. Using the court overseas rebound by number 88 to number 23. Navarro. Grab pass to number 7 to 9 to number 12. Sideline shot. One goal recovered. Wala pa rin. Recovered by number 23. Easy jumper in the paint. And that is good. 56-49. And it's Rivera. Rivera finds number 31, Garcia. Setting up the play, number 31. Ano ang gagawin? 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Rivera fakes. Finds number 31. Drop pass by Rivera. And there's a foul. Foul number... This foul up. Number 12. First personal foul number 12. Second round, first one, wala. Apat ng foul ng selections, warning for penalty na. First one is good for Hoopers, number 11. Ang score namin, 56-50. And that is out of bounds. 2 minutes 53 in the third quarter. Kasi number 9 setting up the play. Hanggang nagpapasan si Fulgencio. Malakas ang pasang miscommunication. And ang team selections Navarro finds number 62, the big man. Puts it in. Baba. Angat sa anim, ang kalabangan ng selections. Rivera pulls a 3, overshoots, rebound by number 88. Number 88, Evangelista, number 62. Number 62, nawalang bola, nakuha ni number 9. Number 9 penetrates, banks it. Timeout selections. 1 minute 50. Ang score natin 58-52.
Tama lang.
May score na ito. May point na.
49 kay galing.
58-52. Hoopers are down by 6 points in the third quarter. 1 minute and 50 remaining. All right, back to the ball game. Estrella Evangelista. And number 23, Navarro. Sideline shot, puts it in. Beautiful jumper at the perimeter wing by Navarro. Fulgencio setting up. Moving for another man. Finds Lazaro. Pulls the three. Overshoots. Rebound by 88. Number 12. Number 12 pass to number 88. At the baseline, forcing the offense. One go. Recovered by Navarro. Fakes. Hesitation. Penetration. One go. Nakoyanan at number 31 ng Hoopers. Garcia. Floater. Jumper. Short. Recovered. Pass number 3. Floater shot by Arevalo. Puts it in. Score natin 54-16. Selections number 23, jumper, one goal. Rebound pa rin. Nakuha ng Hoopers. Lazaro. Sablay. What's number 12? Number 12, Pamplona in the paint. Puts it in. Pamplona is a jumper in the paint. 62-54. Ayun na si number 3, penetrates, almost lose the ball. Recover by number 17, scoops, underneath, one goal. Rebound by number 4. To number 23. 12 seconds. Buzzer nilang marinig. Recovered by number 8. Forcing the offense. Puts it in. 3 seconds. And that is the third quarter of this game. Ang score natin 64-54. Angat sa 10 kalamangan ng selections. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Selections are ahead by 10 points. This last quarter, number 7 Lazaro. Unira ng 3, Sablay. Gloria Evangelista, number 62. And number 2, Bonzo. Bonzo, drop pass number 18. In and out. Rebound by number 9. Calayo. Calayo. Forcing the offense. Underneath, Calayo steal, and there's a foul committed by number 4. Trailing. Rivera, short ang tira sa 3. Juani, Evangelista yan, the big man. Putting up, pass number, balik kay Evangelista. That is good. And Hoopers, number 9, Fulgencio. And there's a foul committed by number 2. Graduate na si number 2. 5th personal foul, idol. Substitution yan, palitan niya, idol. Substitution. Graduate si number 2. 5th personal foul na. Number 9, Fulgencio. Sorry nga, France number 7. Fulgencio. Eyes on the ladder. Fulgencio penetrates. And there's a foul. Who's fouled? Number 8 is fouled. Number 88 is fouled. Number 88. Number 8, second personal foul. Basket is good for number 9.
Hindi na ba siya bukas? Hindi na ba siya bukas?
And the second one is good. Number 18, 4-meter jumper, Wongo. Number 13, against the two-man of the selections. Number 9, jumper in the paint, Wongo, rebound by number 4. Number 4 to number 62, Evangelista, Laking Mama, fades, floats, puts it in. And a steal by number 5. Number 8. Pag pumasok ito. To number 5. Pass to number 18. Back to number 4. Goes to 3. Basket is good. Three points pa. 8 minutes. Maganda-handa ng susunod na maglalaro, Sierra versus Mali for the adult division.
Yeah, back to the ball. Mamaya nga rin 500 pagtap. Sige.
Beautiful scoop penetration by number 13. And a score by number 8 for the selections.
Dagdagan nyo. Let's go. Mag-shift ka. Okay lang. Ano score?
Short ang tira ng selection. Hoopers. 73-58 in favor of selections. As Evangelista holds a 3, Evangelista, 3 points. Selections. Number 13, Salvador setting up the play. Pass number 31, Garcia. Garcia steal. And number 30, Salvador. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Buzzer nilang maririnig. Number 17, pulls the 3. Short and tira. Rebound by 62. Evangelista. Evangelista pulls the 3 again. Wongo. Rebound yan ni number 7. Number 7 to De Vera. De Vera. Jumper. 4-meter jumper. Wongo. Pass to number 4. Wala number 4 yan. Wala bola. Same ball possession. Time remaining 5 minutes 28. Time violation. Sabla yung tira ng Hoopers. Nahulog ni Hoopers number 11. Number 11. Jumper. As number 17, Kalayo. Sabla yung tira ni Kalayo.
Ta-timeout kaya doon? Ilan nilang timeout?
Take the dalawang timeout pa ang bawat kapunan. Number 18. Ulay.
Pag pumasok tayo. Ta-timeout kayo doon? Pag pumasok.
Number 31, jumper. Puts it in. Timeout. Ay, hindi. Wala ba? Wala ba? Ay, dito. Pag nakashot. Ay, si number 4, Estrella. Estrella. Burning the time. In this fourth quarter, number 62. Evangelista. Puts it in. Timeout, Hoopers. Isa na lang ang timeout ng Hoopers. Dalawa pa sa selections. Alright, back to the building now. Ayan na si number 3, Arevalo. Arevalo is number 13 to number 17. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound ni Evangelista. Evangelista drop pass the number. Out of bounds. Number 31. Rebound by Evangelista. Number 12. Easy jumper. Short and clear. Recovered. One hand shot. One goal. Recovered pa rin yung number 4. Wala pa rin. Number 4 steal. Yeah, that is an offensive foul. Offensive foul number 4. As in number 9, setting up Arevalo, pulls the 3. One go. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 22. Short. One in number 12. Romero jumper. In and out. One go. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Hesitates. Penetrates. Bounce it in. 2 minutes, 36. Out of bounds, wala na ang Hoopers yan. Ang score natin, 78-62. 2 minutes, 28 seconds left. Fulgencio. Penetrates, forcing the offense, puts it in. Out of bounds. 2 minutes, 39 seconds left. This is Fulgencio. Points number 17. Number 17, Calayo. Last 2 minutes. Calayo still in the paint.
Sabi rin. Sabi ba?
And there's a foul committed by number 62. Evangelista, that is your first personal foul. Technical tayo, idol. Ay, technical, sorry. Ano na tayo? Free throw na, free throw. Penalty situation, ref. For the Hoopers. Ang layo. Basket is good. Bronco. Rebound na yan ang selection, number 22. And almost a steal recovered. Number 4, pass number 62, Evangelista. Evangelista! Puts it in. Garcia floats, backs it in. And a steal by Fulgencio. Nakawala, and a score! Selection. 80-69, 1 minute and 33 seconds left. Penalty ang selections. Think isang timeout na kayo, mga idol. Alright, back to the building. And ang selection number 4. Balik ang possession sa Hoopers. Salvador starting out the play, finds number 3. Number 3 to number 9. Number 9 finds number 17. Nawala ang bola. 1 minute 21. Kasi Arevalo na wala. Floater. Out of bounds. Selection inbound on the ball. To number 22. Number 22 penetrates, scoops the shot, puts it in. Arevalo, beautiful jumper at the sideline. As number 12, burning the time, 57 seconds, number 12, perimeter jumper, in and out, rebound ni Arevalo. Arevalo penetrates, finds number 31, easy jumper at the perimeter wing. 46 seconds, long pass to the corner, number 22, bounce it in. 44 seconds, 84-72 ang ating score. As number 9, hesitates, floats, puts it in. Low pass to number. Recovered by number 12. Number 12, umikot. Pass number 22, bounce it in. And ang Hoopers number 17. Burn the dark, throws the three. Won't go. And recovered by number 3, Arevalo, floater, and a score. 10 seconds to shoot. Saan na lang maririnig? And that ends the tournament.